No, it still really hurts. Like, can I get an ice, like, compression bag? It is literally, like, out of the socket. I am not playing. I haven't seen this pool before. Didn't even know there was a pool there.
So this is the Oasis pool.
Oh.
Never seen it before.
Are you gonna eat here? Or are you gonna watch me eat?
That's what it's on. I expect to hear here.
Yeah, that's right.
Let me check the gift shop. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it is outside.
Ooh, ornaments.
Got holiday cacao popcorn. We got holiday light up. We got some great things. Look at that. We got that. We got this. We got this shirt. Look how nice this shirt looks, guys.
Hello.
Look at that. Stitches and ornament. That's so funny. Look at this, man. I feel you. Aloha. If you want Polynesian merch, it is all here. You want a pineapple cup? You got it. Here's a pineapple cup. Woo. Then you got your traditional Disney merch. Nothing wrong with that. You got some fanny packs. We all like some good fanny packs. This one's really nice. This is the hat Mike Wazowski wore in his movie. Look at these Crocs, but they're furry, which is really, really disgusting because when you sweat, it's gonna get really stinky. But I'm not the judge, you are. Disney swing bag? Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, it's in Captain or something Hooks.
Oh,
yeah, we have to go upstairs. Here? Cool. Oh yeah, I'm getting the Hawaiian flatbread. Hi, how you doing?
Good, yourself?
Doing good. I'll have the Hawaiian flatbread, please. And then a fountain drink. And then that'll be it.
Was it for here to go?
For here.
And a name for the order, please?
Nico.
1926.
Okay, perfect.
Put the pager in the middle of the table. It'll find you. Enjoy refills on your soda.
Okay, cool.
Enjoy all your, pick up all your condiments you think you might need and have a fun-filled day.
Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay. Ice. Give me more ice. That's cool.
Next cup, on tray.
Okay. Enjoy beverages until 4:06 p.m. Cool. Okay.
Not very much.
I got like 3 cubes.
Yeah.
But
I'm trying to put it in for my knee.
no? Oh man. Yeah, hopefully they fix it soon. I'm just showing the highlights of this game. I watched it live, but the Rockets are a really good team, and we did not have Paolo Banchero or Jalen Suggs. They had Sengun, who's like a baby Jokic, and Kevin Durant. By the way, they won like most of their games this season. Oh, that's cool. I thought I saw that in here. I swear it looks similar. The audio's also been not bad. Oh, there's my pizza. Hello. Yeah, Nico, 160.
There you go, enjoy.
Thank you, appreciate it. Oh. What do we have here? One Hawaiian pizza just for me. Hawaiian flatbread pizza, because nothing says Christmas like Hawaiian flatbread pizza. And look at that, it's flatbread and Hawaiian. All right, I'm gonna get a piece of it right now. This is super hot, straight out the oven. Huge, super hot. Holy crap. Look at that cheese. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, look at that cheese. Cheesy. I like my cheese drippy, bro. Oh my goodness. This pizza really burnt me. This pizza burnt me. I almost got injured. This pizza is dangerous. This pizza almost killed me. It is too hot. Polynesian, shame on you. I'm gonna try it though. Maybe it could redeem itself.
And this is the decor.
Wow, that tastes really good though. I got some red onion punch, got pineapple punch, It got a nice zestiness to it. I like my pizza zesty. It's really crispy on the ends. I guess that makes sense because it's a flatbread, duh. But it's also very sweet and flavorful, all in one. What? I like this piece right here. Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm talking about. Again, this pizza is located in Polynesian Resort. You could get this at Captain Cook's, around $13 plus tax. Don't forget about the tax, kids. Wow. Man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very good. Oh yeah. A nice sip of Diet Coke just for me. Oh, nice. Oh, very drippy. Enjoy 2 beverages. Oh, I still have a count.
Yeah.
Never mind.
I'm looking for the walkway too.
Absolutely. So if you head right around the building here, there's going to be staircase. Head right down the staircase, keep following it straight, or leave it right over.
All right.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Absolutely. Y'all have a great day.
You too. One, two. Oh, there's rooms. Crap. Okay, I gotta guess. 4. Oh, you're right.
Oh yeah, that'd be room for it. Dang it.
I just want to see what it looks. Oh, it worked out.
Yeah.
I like how there's no dead space.
Yeah.
If there's dead space, it's this little teeny thing. But there's some worse ones. Or I thought it was just an aesthetic resort. I didn't thought it had meaning because I think it is real. I think I was getting.
I'm sorry, sir. We're not going to be letting Orlando Magic fans in here.
No?
No.
Oh man. Have a great day. Going to the gift shop. What do we have?
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice.
Everything.
Everything. You got Zootopia 2 merch, like Wild, the hops. You got outfits for the little ones. Look at this, a snake. This character is not in part 1, so you gotta watch part 2 to see what this character does. Beaver. This is good. I forgot, this is relevant right now. I saw this hoodie the other day, I'm like, this is the first green hoodie I don't mind buying. Okay.
Welcome to the Fantasyland Concert Hall. Today, we're very proud to present
Hello and welcome to the Fantasyland Concert Hall. We are expecting a packed show today, so...
Space Mountain 5 minutes, that has to be a joke. 5 minutes. I gotta screenshot that. 5 minutes. Am I tall enough? Yep. Guys, I'm not playing around. This is not a skit or a gig. Space Mountain has injured me. Ow. I have a tear in my rotator shoulder, about 2 inches millimeter. Ow, I'm getting checked by the Disney nurse now. I can't show it for privacy reasons. She's over there on her clipboard talking to other cast members. Oh wait, here she comes. Yeah, everything, this hurts right now. Like, do you have any painkillers? Aspirin. I like ibuprofen more. We could do shoot. Sorry, I can't think right now. We could do aspirin though. You don't have Advil, you don't have ibuprofen? I'll take it, I guess. No, it still really hurts. Like, can I get an ice, like, compression bag? It's really sore. Like, my shoulder hurts. It is literally, like, out of the socket. I am not playing. You're gonna send who? You could bring them. I just don't want to make a scene. The last thing I want to do is just be that guy, you know? An ice pack would be great. Yeah, I think I need some cooling in the area. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's just my shoulder, although my lower back, my spinal cord also hurts a little bit. It is a little tingly. Okay, they went back. They're gonna give me an ice pack and aspirin. By the way, they've been like super nice and very cordial, you know. But anyways, that is gonna do it because they're about to approach me again and ask me some questions. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.